Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn magnetism and electromagnetism together, step by step. Every magnet has two poles, north and south, and they follow a simple rule, like poles repel while opposite poles attract. Surrounding each magnet is an invisible magnetic field, which we picture as lines looping from north to south outside the magnet. Sprinkle iron filings near a magnet and they reveal this field. No matter how you cut a magnet, you can never isolate a single pole. Here's one of physics. Great discoveries. Moving electric charge creates a magnetic field. Run a current through a coiled wire, and it behaves like a magnet, an electromagnet you can switch on and off. More current or more coils makes the field stronger. This reveals that electricity and magnetism are not separate forces at all, but two faces of a single electromagnetic interaction. A compass works because Earth itself is a giant magnet, with a magnetic field stretching across the whole planet. The compass needle is a small, free-spinning magnet. Its north pole swings to line up with Earth's field, pointing roughly toward the geographic north. Sailors and explorers relied on this for centuries, all thanks to the quiet pull of our planet's magnetic field guiding the needle. An electric doorbell is electromagnetism in action. Pressing the button completes a circuit, sending current through a coil of wire that instantly becomes an electromagnet. That magnetic pull yanks a small iron hammer toward it, striking the bell. The motion breaks the circuit, the magnet releases, and the hammer springs back, ready to strike again. Switchable magnetism turns a button press into a ringing sound. Let's review. Magnets have north and south poles, with like poles repelling and opposites attracting, all wrapped in a field looping north to south. Moving electric charge creates magnetism, so a current-carrying coil becomes an electromagnet you can switch on and off. Electricity and magnetism are one unified force. From compasses to doorbells to giant motors, electromagnetism quietly powers the modern world. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.